Hi all, today I will show you how you can reset your Wi-Fi password. And to reset your password you just have to access your router configuration page, and the default IP address of your router is 192.168.1.1, and sometimes it varies from router to router. So as of now default is you can use 1.1, or you can check your router manual page. From there you get to know about the default IP address of your router. So here you have to enter your router's credentials. By default username is admin and password is MAC address of your router. Okay, so in later stage you can just update this password for your security. And here is the list of devices connected to my Wi-Fi. So to reset the password you just have to come here under WLAN SSID configuration, just expand this, and here you can see the SSID thing. SSID name is something that we can use for identifying our Wi-Fi name. So it is just a Wi-Fi name, and SSID hide, if we select this on radio button, then nobody will able to find out the Wi-Fi name of our Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is the encryption and this is passphrase. Let's change our Wi-Fi password. Okay, so we always try to follow these type of rules, like password should be greater than, it should be around 8 characters, and password should have characters like special symbols and all, and password should not be related to our relationships, like any common names. And here maximum clients means the number of users you want them to connect to your router, or you can say Wi-Fi. After clicking on apply, this Wi-Fi password got changed. Okay, so whoever connected to this Wi-Fi, although I'm connected to this SSID 5 GHz, okay, same configuration you can apply here as well. So that's how you can change your Wi-Fi password. Yeah, thank you.